why Kiko communicate. Right. So we have for the continued operation of what? Of business. This time around we are looking at what? Element of communication process. Element of communication process. We are now looking at the process of communication. And by this process, we can actually define communication as a 6-point process. A 6-point or 6 steps, or a process that is in 6 phases. That is, starting with what? The conception, encoding, channel, which is channel selection, decoding through the message or through to message what? Interpretation, and provision of what? Feedback. If you look at all of that, it is very simple method, and almost everybody engages in this on daily basis in our interaction with people. At times some of these things, they happen in a jiffy, they happen in a way that what we really take notice of them or take note of them, but they are actually what they are. So by that is, we said provision of feedback by the recipient.